You are welcome to digitizings.com. Today we learn about Ricoma MT 1501 single head embroidery machine. The Ricoma MT 1501 is a versatile single head embroidery machine designed for both small businesses and hobbyists. It offers a range of features that enhance creativity and efficiency, making it suitable for various embroidery projects. With its user-friendly interface and robust performance, this machine is ideal for producing high-quality designs. Features 1. User-friendly touchscreen. The MT 1501 is equipped with a 7-inch color touchscreen, allowing users to easily navigate through settings and designs. The intuitive interface simplifies the embroidery process, making it accessible for beginners and efficient for experienced users. 2. Versatile design capabilities. This machine supports various embroidery file formats, enabling users to work with a wide range of designs. Its compatibility with popular software makes it easy to create custom projects tailored to individual preferences. 3. High-speed stitching. With a maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, the MT 1501 significantly reduces production time. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses looking to fulfill orders quickly while maintaining quality. 4. Automatic thread trimming. The built-in automatic thread trimming function ensures clean and professional finishes. This feature saves time during setup and reduces the need for manual adjustments, enhancing overall efficiency. 5. Adjustable hoop sizes. The machine comes with multiple hoop sizes, allowing for flexibility in design placement. In fabric types, this versatility accommodates various project sizes from small logos to larger decorative pieces. 6. Durable construction. The MT 1501 is designed with durability in mind, featuring a robust build that withstands the demands of regular use. This ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice for any embroiderer. Pricing. The Ricoma MT 1501 is competitively priced for its features and capabilities, typically falling in the mid-range of embroidery machines. Its value lies in its combination of performance, durability, and user-friendly design, making it a worthwhile investment for both enthusiasts and small businesses. Thanks for watching my video.